If I was your cat, these would be my rules. Rule number 1, when you call my name, I don't hear it. But if you open food from across the house, I'm there in 2 seconds. Rule number 2, every time you come home, I run to the door like you've been gone for 10 years. Rule number 3, no matter what happens, you are my favorite human, non-negotiable. Rule number 4, when you're eating, I sit next to you so you don't feel alone. I won't even steal it. Well,
Maybe.
Rule number 5, I sit on your laptop during homework. That's bonding time. Grades can wait. Rule number 6, when you say I'm fine, I stare at you until you admit you're not. No lying in this house. Rule number 7, if you start dancing alone in your room, I join and start cracking some moves too. If you want me as your cat, hit that